5 seconds. You are clear to drop, Justin. More here. How's that feel?
This is insane.
It's not too bad,
It's
right?
not too bad, no.
Yeah. Show me heavy wrench. Oh, it's so heavy. I'm at the top of the mountain where Mickey Mouse stands. And the music is happening and the water is going and I'm like, oh my God, I'm Sorcerer Mickey Mouse right now.
Throughout this series, you will meet some incredible cast members from across all Disney experiences with some pretty awesome jobs, but even better stories as to why they call this magical place home. Today, we are at Indiana Jones Epic Stunt Spectacular. Hey Todd, how's it going?
Hey Rayvon, welcome
It's
to the
good to see you, everyone. Meet Todd.
Hey everybody.
All right, Todd, what's the first thing that I need to do to get started in this day?
Here at the Epic Stunt Spectacular, we actually don't wear our name tags.
Oh, no name tags.
For our audience, they want to see us looking like the film crew. So we're going to get you set up to look like part of the film crew here at the Epic Stunt Spectacular.
Okay.
All right, come with me.
All right. Could you tell me and tell everyone what it is that you do exactly here at the stunt show?
Sure. So I'm one of the entertainment stage technicians here at Disney's Hollywood Studios. I work here at the Indiana Jones Epic Stunt Spectacular. I'm also trained to help cover staffing needs at some other shows in the park as well. But my main role, my full-time role, is I'm the props crew chief. Safety is the #1 aspect of absolutely everything we do here at the show. So before anybody can do anything as part of our crew, the first thing that everyone has to do is go through a stage safety awareness walk. Where when these are in motion, you don't want to cross between them unless there's at least 10 feet of distance between them. We want to make sure that there's no chance that they're going to find you and make a sandwich.
Right.
So we want to keep at least 10 feet apart, okay?
Okay.
So as one of the things that we have to test, we talked about it a little bit, is the punji run.
Yes.
Okay, so these are the spears that come out of the ground. Right, they're triggered by Indy. He's the one that controls them, and we have to make sure that they work safely.
Okay.
Ready? There you go. There's one. There you go. This one. Okay.
Holy just for, you know, I mean, we're here. Could I just
go for it.
zigzag,
Yeah, you can do the run. Go ahead.
Why not?
Yep.
Yeah!
Hit 1, hit 2,
Whoa.
hit 3, and then there goes the ball.
What?
It's gonna roll all the way down to the end, and then you, my friend, are gonna help me roll it upstairs. How's that feel?
Oh, this is insane.
It's not too bad,
It's
right?
not too bad, no.
Yeah. It's about 400 pounds of rubber.
400 pounds of, so they really do mean that.
That's absolutely true, yep. So this one is pit 6.
Oh.
So in scene 3, we have a fight between Indy and a mechanic.
Yep.
Sometimes we're not able to use this. They'll move their fight downstage toward the audience onto a mat, and there's a prop that's preset there. It's a big pipe wrench, about that big.
Do you work on that prop?
I do work on that prop. I actually created that prop.
That's pretty cool. That's
Thank
like
you.
a legacy to this incredible show that's been running since 1989.
Yes.
How does that make you feel that like you have a piece of history in this show?
Oh, it's great. Part of what I really love about doing this show is that I get to kind of use different parts of my brain on different days and in different ways. You know, there's the part of me that gets to be part of a show.
Yeah.
And then there's part of me that gets to kind of sit down and be crafty and creative and inventive and hands-on and build things and repair things and make things and fix things. Wow. And so I get to sort of have a best of both worlds situation here. We try to have spares of all of our props in case something happens. We can grab another one and put it in. So we grabbed a couple of spares that we can take a look at today.
Amazing. All right, so what do we have here? I see a few whips. I see, it's not that heavy. It's just a regular wrench. This is the frying pan?
That's right, yeah. This is actually built out of a couple different types of foam and plastic, and it's made so that from a distance, it's going to look like a big, heavy cast iron frying pan. Yeah. These are our fight sticks. If you look at our script, they're called an axe handle. So, in our show, we have a large collection of Indiana Jones whips. So all of the spares and all of the ones that they have, I'm the one who does the maintenance on the whips. I'm gonna teach you to do some repair work today as well.
Let's do it.
Okay. I taught myself how to tie this knot, and it was a struggle.
You clearly have a lot of passion behind props and what you do here at the stage. Where did that passion come from?
Yeah, well, I was always a creative kid. I was always more interested in arts and entertainment than I was things like sports and other things like that. It was just more my area of interest. So I'd met a guy who worked as a technician at Disneyland, and I called him up and I talked to him a little bit, and I said, tell me more about your job, because I'm interested in what you do. And he talked to me about what his job was. He had worked at the Aladdin show at Disneyland. I went back to school. There's a regional theater in California that is an equity stage, and they do training for technicians, and they take, at least at the time that I went there, they take 12 students a year.
Wow.
Yeah, and it's a 2-year training program, and it's highly competitive, and it's highly well regarded. And so I started with the Walt Disney Company in 2014 as a professional intern, an entertainment stage technician intern. And during that time, I got to visit all 4 parks. I got to be involved in some capacity in almost every show on property. Fantasmic had a huge impact on me as a kid because I saw it in Disneyland and I was like, this is amazing.
Yeah.
And that stuck with me, you know, through to my adulthood. It was like, oh, this was a huge, impactful, like, memory from my childhood of Fant. And when they do their testing over at Fantasmic, they have to make sure that all of the elements that make that show happen are happening correctly.
Sure.
I'm at the top of the mountain where Mickey Mouse stands.
No.
And I can see all of Florida from the top of the mountain, and the music is happening, and the water is going, and I'm like, oh my God, I'm Sorcerer Mickey Mouse right now. Like, this is an incredible moment. And I'm sure everyone who does Fantasmic is like, yeah, we know, it's fine. But for someone who remembered that from childhood, to get it to be like, you're here for a day, do you want to do something weird? I'm like, yeah, please put me on there. So I have some really distinct fun memories of getting to see those things. But right over here in the center. There you go.
Right here?
Yeah, right here's great. There you go. They're going to soak up some sun, and we'll come back to them. We'll check on them throughout the day. All right, Rayvon, you ready to go?
I'm ready. Okay, what are we doing?
We're going into show. So we're going to go be the rope drop techs.
Wait, we're going to go up, up?
We're going up, up.
Bennett, we're going up.
Here we go.
We're going up. What's going on, you guys?
Rayvon, at this point, I got to put on a harness because I'm going to be within less than 6 feet from an open gate, which is what he's going to walk through.
I thought you were dropping off with me.
I don't, well, no, this is all you. This is all you.
5 seconds, you are clear to drop, Justin.
This is so cool.
Did you like it?
I love that.
Is that your first time seeing it
It
from
was
up
my
here?
first time seeing it from up here.
Yeah.
And I'm so glad that I got to bring you all with me. Thank you.
Yeah, of course.
What just happened? That was so cool.
Yeah. Every once in a while, you tell someone else what you do, and you go, "Oh yeah, that's right. This is not normal. This is a super special thing that we get to do."
Absolutely.
Yes.
It's one of those like only at Disney.
So this is the A camera, and we're gonna film Raiders of the Lost Ark now.
Yes. I don't know if y'all recognize, but those are the props that he made. Remember? There's the win. About to get to the scene where she uses the frying pan. You remember that from earlier? The frying pan? And scene. We're taking over for props right now. So we have to reset everything for the next show that's gonna happen in just a little bit. Carpet roll, stick basket. Hey,
you go.
remember this from earlier?
There you go.
He's a part of that.
Come on, Rayvon, let's go.
It's so heavy. Right here?
Yep. All the way till it lines up, and we're gonna set it down. Our show takes 15 technicians to operate each performance.
Okay.
And one of those does a props roll
Okay.
in the show. So that's good, we're good, we can go up.
All right.
So we gotta reset our lava pit. This is where Indy falls in with his torch, right?
Yes. Ready?
And we're gonna lift. There you go. We got a problem here because we got axemen in the way.
Right.
So you're gonna need to just lift those up.
Oh, okay.
We'll do it the easy way though. We got a hidden switch back here.
I thought I was gonna have to lift.
Just with your hands?
Yes.
We got a hidden switch.
Wow, while holding this beautiful idol.
Right here where Indy goes. And you're gonna set the idol right here, facing straight down toward the audience.
Alrighty.
There it is. So the next thing that we're going to do is at the end of scene 1, which is gonna start in just a few moments here.
Okay.
At the end of scene 1, Indy's gonna run away from a giant boulder, and then we're gonna push the boulder back up.
All right, Bennett, can you take them to a great spot in the audience? I will see you all on stage. See you. Oh Oh my gosh.
Every time.
That's wild.
You can see all the foam rocks that fell.
Yeah, in the bag. All right.
Give him a little wave if you want.
Yeah. Did you ever think that someday you'd be working on the whips?
It never even entered my mind as a possibility. I remember being a fan of the films, and I remember loving the ride and loving the character and loving the stories. But to tell you the truth, I didn't know until solidly into adulthood that this show even existed.
All right, we have
Nice.
clean whips now.
Yep, they're ready to go. So the next thing to do is to test them out.
All right,
All right, let's go do it.
let's do it.
Oh, well, this is why we test, Rayvon.
Ah, this is not ready for
This
show.
is not ready for show.
Not ready
Yep,
for
we
show.
blew the popper right off of it, and sometimes that happens during the show as well.
You want to try
Test out
mine?
The other one,
This
yeah.
one I did.
There you go.
I hope
This
we-
one's gonna work much better.
All right, I hope so. I hope it does.
Nice. Yeah, this one feels really good, Rayvon. I'm gonna have you put the popper on this one, because obviously me doing it didn't work out very well last time.
That really was a cool day. Please let me know down in the comments below what other roles you'd be interested to learn a bit more about, and the cast members who make the magic behind those roles.
Rayvon!
Hey, Todd.
Hey man, you ran away so fast.
I
We
know.
didn't get to get finished back there. Hey, before you leave, I just wanted to make sure that you had this. You know, we don't just let anybody work on the stage, right?
Right.
We talked about how it's all about teamwork and how we all have to work together. You put in a lot of hard work today. We want to make sure that you take this with you and remember that you are officially a part of the film crew here at the Indiana Jones Epic Stunt Spectacular. And of course, you are also a part of the film crew at the Epic Stunt Spectacular there as the camera
Bennett,
operator.
You've
There you
been
go.
incredible all day.
That's right.
Thank
So
you.
yeah, absolutely. So feel free to come back anytime if you're looking for someone to help out with a ball roll. I'll be more than happy to let you
Deal.
roll
Yes,
that ball.
that
there
is
for
a
me.
workout.
Yep.
So I actually.
You can do it with me.
Okay.
You can do it for me.
Okay.
Either of those is fine. Okay.
Deal. Thank you so much. I'll be seeing you real soon then.
Oh.
So can I crack the whip now? No. Okay. No, it's cool. Nice try. Okay.